Today we're going to be looking at what we call a geometric sequence. On Hegarty Maths, it's going to ask you two types of questions. 1, what is the ratio? And 2, find the next terms. To do this, we have a look at our numbers and we say, what have I times 1 by to get to 2? I've times it by 2. What do I times 2 by to get to 4? I times by 2 again. And 4 to get to 8, I times by 2. My ratio is therefore times them by 2 or 2. Hegarty Maths will just want the number, it won't want the times sign. The second thing I said they could ask for is to continue the sequence. So I'm going to find the next 3 terms. That means I'm going to times my 8 by 2, which is 16. 16 times 2 is 32, and 32 times 2 is 64. Can you just have a quick go at your turn? So find your ratio, and then I want you to find your next 3 sequences. So for your one, 2 times 3 would give me 6, and 6 times 3 would give me 18. So my ratio will be 3. My next 3 terms will be 18 times 3, which is 54. 54 times 3, which is 162. And 162 times 3, which is 486. One thing they might ask you on Hegarty Maths is where your ratio is actually a fraction. So you might have something like 9, 3, and 1. This case, we are actually dividing by 3, but we actually call it a fraction, so we just say it's a third. And again, for this one, our ratio would be 1 over 3, which would be a third. So it gets smaller. It's to do with your fractions, not to do with your whole numbers.